boog. Ooga boog. Ooga boog. Hey! What was that?
A clue.
No, is it coming for you?
No, a clue.
Oh, you see a clue. Oh!
Squeak.
Is this
Squeak.
sound? The sound is squeaking. So our first clue is this squeak sound. You know what we need? Our handy dandy notebook. Right.
Ding.
Okay, we can't.
Ha 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 ha. Boom, 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 boom.
Okay, we can't draw the sound. Let's start with curved shapes to help us remember the sound of squeaking. Hey, that was our first clue. You know what that means? We're ready to sit in our thinking chair. Let's go!